Long time no zobo vlog, and I know you guys have been waiting for this one. Hey guys, long time no new zobo content, and I know you're probably like, does she still sell zobo? Well, yes, I still do. I just haven't had time to vlog because of some reasons. And in this video, I'll be showing you some things that I use and do that changed my zobo game. It took my zobo from just okay to I will definitely come back for more. From 0 to 100, yes. So make sure to watch this video to the end to find out. So I have an order for 20 bottles today, and I said let me use the opportunity to show you guys everything I use. And please always endeavor to wash your zobo properly. You'll be really shocked at the amount of stone and sand that comes out of it. So I added everything into my pot and allowed it to come to a boil. And at this point, everywhere was already smelling so good. And this right here is one of the secrets to my zobo coming out really nice. I add this leaf, I don't know the name, and a little dry pepper. It usually helps bring out the color and gives it this richer taste. And after that, I let everything boil properly, and once it was ready, I went ahead to sieve it. And again, I would like to say this, I have different methods of making zobo. This is one of the methods I use, and this one is the basic one of them. It's like a budget friendly recipe that a beginner can use. With as low as 5,000 naira, you can get everything and make your zobo and to come out tasting really nice and rich. And after I was done sieving out my zobo, it was time to sweeten, and I used these 3 sweeteners for 10 liters of zobo. But I will leave the full measurement in the description box, then you can go ahead to double the recipe. And another thing I do, which is one of my main secrets, is that I don't bottle my zobo immediately. I leave it overnight. I don't even know the science behind it, but it gives this rich and almost wine-like taste to my zobo, and I love it. So that's basically how I made this batch of zobo. After I was done bottling, I went ahead to refrigerate my zobo. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like this video, comment, and follow for more. See you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.